Cyberchef is the cyber switch army knife, a simple, intuitive web app to analyzing and decoding data without having to deal with the complex tools or programming language. Cyberchef encourages both technical and non-technical to explore data format, encryption, and compression. Cyberchef have different section here. The operation is what you want to do. The recipe is when you start to use it. The input is what you have in the start. Then apply the recipe and you get everything on the output. So let's put here a set of number. When you see this set of number, we can see what we want to do. You probably saw this coming up. This basically tell you then he already tried to understand what is data and he say, hey, if you press here, I will convert it and it's a date. What you give me, it's exactly the format for a date. To do so, I use this recipe. It just, it was not really planned to see that, but I just enjoyed to show that to you too. So if you don't want to do that, you just take it out and it disappears. In my case, what I want to reverse what you have in the input. So I'm just going to go here and I try to find reverse. I find a reverse here, just click on it, and then I drag it to the recipe. And now it basically gives you the information reversed. And you see that it's still smart enough to say, okay, it's look like a date. But now we get this reverse number here. Other thing you can do is deciding to encrypt or decrypt. I will just go back here and I'm just going to say then I want to encrypt. I just take the blowfish just for the example, and I wouldn't recommend this one, but it's just a good example. So we just remove the other one, blowfish. You need to enter the key. So we're just going to enter the key, and I will take what I generate there, the reverse. Just put it there. From there, anything you put on the top, you will get the output here, and it's basically encrypted by blowfish. If you want to decrypt it, the easy way in this case, you just take that, it should be back on the input. You can use this button here, and it's basically copy what's output to the input. Just do that. I'm just going to remove this one, and I will look for the blowfish decrypt. Blowfish decrypt. I need to enter the key again. Same that we used before, and that's what you get. It's just this is a test. So just to give you an idea, how easy to use these tools. Another good example is here. This is coming from traffic capture, and we try to understand what's the content here. As you can see here, you get all of the HTTP header. We do not want to see the HTTP header, so you just go to search, say HTTP, and you have strip HTTP header. Just put out the recipe, and you clean it up. The magic here just tell you, hey, if you use gunzip, it will produce HTML page. So you can click on this to do it, or you can try to find gunzip. Find gunzip here, put it here, and now you see the HTML information. As you can see, there's plenty of options here that help you to, take some action an easy way. And there's plenty of recipe ready for you. The good thing too here, if you find a recipe that you want to save, that's important for you, you just save the recipe here. And then you can see the detail of this recipe, you can group the name and you can save it to use in the future or to share with some other people when you want to use it. Cyberchef can be used by himself or it's add to multiple tools like Arkim is using Cyberchef, Security Onion is Cyberchef. There's plenty of tools that really integrate these open source tools there. Thank you.